Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the topic dimensions of business environment. In previous session we have discussed features and importance of business environment. Dear student, after going through this unit you would be able to describe the dimensions of business environment. There are five types of dimensions or components of environment, that is legal, economic, technological, political and social. These are the five components of business environment. First is economic environment. It contains of gross domestic product, income at national level and per capita level, profit earning rate, monetary and fiscal policy of the government, stock market index, inflation rate, interest rate, etc. It is very complex and dynamic in nature that keeps in changing with the change in policies or political situations. It has three elements: economic condition of public, economic policies of the country, economic system. Other economic factors are infrastructural facilities, banking, insurance companies, money market, capital market, set. A relative role of private and public sectors, rate of savings and investment, volume of imports and exports, money supply in the economy, balance of payments and changes in foreign exchange reserves, agricultural and industrial production trends, growth rate of GNP and per capita income. This is the economic environment. Second is political environment. It constitutes all the factors related to government affairs such as type of government, power, attitude of government towards different groups of societies, etc. It affects different business units extensively. Components are uh, constitution of country, prevailing political system, political ideology of ruling party, extent and nature of government intervention in business, nature of relationship of our country with foreign countries, nature and profile of political leadership. There is one example of political environment. Coca-Cola multinational company discontinued its operations in India in the late 70s due to government policy. Again in 1989, another government welcomed such multinational companies to India. Next is social environment or socio-cultural environment. It consists of the customs and traditions of the society in which business is existing. It includes the standard of living, taste, preferences, etc. Influence exercised by social and cultural factors not within the control of business is known as socio-cultural environment or social environment. Social environment is made up of population trends, individual needs, and cultural factors. The business should adopt a strategy which should be suitable for social and cultural environment. Concern with quality of life, life expectancy, birth and death rates, expectations from workforce, education system and literacy rates, consumption habits, consumer preference, festival, religions, etc. Next is legal environment, or you can say legal dimension. It includes the acts that have been passed by the central and the state government. The laws related to business made by government are the utmost importance. All members of business community must follow these laws. Some example of legal environment: legislation passed by parliament, court, state, rules or laws of a country. It constitutes the laws and various legislations passed in the parliament, like as Trade Market Act, Essential Commodity Act, Weights and Measures Act, etc. Some important act all business organizations working in India must have knowledge of: Company Act 2013, Factory Act 1948, Trade Union Act 1926, Industrial Dispute Act 1947, Consumer Protection Act 1986, and Competition Act 2002. Next dimension of business environment is technological environment. This is most important factor of business environment, that is technological environment. Production methods and services are fast changing. New instruments and new procedures are developing rapidly. Computer aided production system made a drastic change in the business sector. For example, CDs and DVDs wiped out video cassettes and tape recorders. It refers to changes taking place in the method of production, use of equipments and machineries to improve the quality of product. Every day there has been vast change in the product, services, lifestyles and living conditions. These changes must be analyzed by every business unit and should adapt these changes. Shift from print book to e-books. Books of online train tickets instead of going to railway section, automatic cars replacing cars with gears, etc. Yeah. These are the elements of business environment, or you can say dimensions of business environment. There are some example: research and development activities, innovations in product and process, import and export of technology, new equipment, innovations in scientific and engineering, new ways of communication. These are the dimensions of business environment. Thank you. In next session, we will discuss managerial response to change in business environment.